Life cycles. In the context of portfolio management and associated processes, one can think of three life cycles. They are portfolio life cycle within portfolio, that is component life cycle within portfolio management life cycle. So one is directly related to the portfolio, another is related to the component of a portfolio, and the last one is related to portfolio management. There is also another cycle that can be called as portfolio management process cycle. First, let us understand what a life cycle is. The life cycle is the time span from the beginning of life to the end of life. So life begins, life ends, and that time span will be called as the life cycle. In other words, one can say the life cycle constitutes a set of stages or states from beginning of the life to the end of life. Between portfolio life cycle, portfolio component life cycle within a portfolio, and portfolio management life cycle, there are subtle differences. 1. The portfolio life cycle is obviously the life cycle of the portfolio. It is managed by the portfolio manager. When I say portfolio components life cycle, it is actually the life cycle of the portfolio components within the portfolio. You will have projects, programs, project will have a life cycle, program will have a life cycle. So this component life cycle will be shorter than the portfolio life cycle. Like project has a shorter duration, so it is within the portfolio, and the life cycle is going to be shorter compared to the portfolio life cycle. And as we have seen before, portfolio remains for a very long period of time in an organization. When I say portfolio management life cycle, that is the third life cycle, it is actually a set of processes to manage the portfolio. And these are the life cycles we are going to see as we proceed in this lesson.